Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Dear students, welcome to our new topic, expression for the derivation of equilibrium constant Kc. So, for deriving the expression for the equilibrium constant Kc, let us apply the law of mass action for a general reaction. For example, the two reactants A and B reacts to produce product C and D. Here, the small a indicate the number of mole of reactants A and small b indicates the number of mole of reactants B. Similarly, the small c indicate the number of mole of the product C and the small d indicate the number of moles of product D. This is a balanced reactions and this is a reversible reactions, and this reversible reaction is at the state of equilibrium. We have already discussed the equilibrium state and the reversible reaction. So, the rate of the reaction is directly proportional to the product of the molar concentration of the reactants raised to the power equal to their number of moles. The rate of reaction is directly proportional to the product of the molar concentration of the reactants raised to the power equal to their number of mole. So, according to the law of mass actions, rate of forward reaction is directly proportional to the product of the molar concentration of reactants raised to the power equal to their number of moles. So, Rf is directly proportional to A raised to the power of its number of mole. What are A? The number of mole of the reactants A. And similarly, B, the number of mole of reactants B. R, rate of forward reaction is equal to Kf into A into B. What is Kf? Kf is proportionality constant for forward reaction. Kf is the proportionality constant for forward reaction, so this is equation first. Similarly, the rate of reverse reaction. The rate of reverse reaction is directly proportional to the product of the molar concentration of products raised to the power equal to the number of mole of the products. So, RR is directly proportional to C raised to the power C. What is small c? Small c indicates the number of mole of the products C. And similarly, small d indicate the number of mole of the product D. So, by removing the proportionality signs, we will place here a proportionality constant. So, RR is equal to KR into C into D. This is equation second. Now, at equilibrium state, we know that what is equilibrium? The chemical process, the chemical reaction at which the rate of forward reaction become equal to the rate of reverse reaction is called chemical equilibrium or dynamic equilibrium. So, at equilibrium state, the rate of forward reaction will be equal to the rate of reverse reaction, or rate of forward reaction is equal to Rf. What is Rf? The rate of forward reaction, forward to convert reactants into product. And similarly, RR, the rate of reverse reaction when the product convert into the reactants. So, this is equation third. Now, by putting equation first and equation second in equation third, look, rate of forward reaction is equal to the rate of reverse reaction. So look, what is rate of forward reaction? We have represented the rate of forward reaction can be represented by RF, and rate of reverse reaction can be represented by RR. And we know the value of RF is equal to Kf into A into B, and the rate of reverse reaction is equal to Kr into C into D. So now we will place RF value here and RR value here. So Kf into A into B, and we will place the molar concentration A, B, number of moles C and D. Similarly, A, C, D, A and B. So Rf is equal to Kf into A into B, and Rr is equal to Kr into C into D. So by dividing both sides by Kr, for example, Kf into A into B is equal to Kr into C into D. Now dividing both sides by Kr and also both sides by A into B. So Kr into A into B. Now we will cancel the Kr with Kr and AB into AB with AB. So Kf by Kr, Kf by Kr is equal to C into D divided by A into B. This is equation 4. Where, what is Kc? Kc is the equilibrium constant expression. And from this reaction, the ratio of the equilibrium, the ratio of the proportionality constant for forward reaction to the proportionality constant for reverse reaction is equal to a constant which is known as equilibrium constant Kc. So Kc is equal to Kf divided by Kr. From this, we have defined the equilibrium constant Kc. Now, by putting equation 4 in equation 5, we will put the value of Kf over Kr in equation 5. So Kc is equal to C into D divided by A into B, and C, D, A into B, where Kc is equilibrium constant. So from equation 6, the equilibrium constant can also be defined as, Kc can be defined as the ratio of the product of the molar concentration of products to the product of the molar concentration of reactants is called equilibrium constant Kc. So hence we proved in equation 6 that Kc is equal to the product of the molar concentration of products to the product of molar concentration of reactants. So this is the expression for, general expression for equilibrium constant Kc. Now, if you have any questions, so please write in the comment. Wish you best of luck.